So to get the derivative of xy, you need to use the product rule. So this will become xy prime plus y plus the derivative of y squared, which is 2y, then multiply by y prime is equal to 0.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Math-maticTV. So today is another tutorial day. Now I'm going to show how to use or apply the implicit differentiation in differentiating derivatives. So you can apply the implicit differentiation to differentiate derivatives if the problem consisting or have a combination of x and y. Example, for problem number 2, there's a x squared plus y squared. The same for problem number 3, x cubed minus y cubed. Also for the problem number 4, which is xy plus y squared. For the problem number 1, we can use the chain rule here. Actually, we can use the chain rule to be easy to differentiate this. But I found out that we can also use the implicit differentiation in problem number 1, which is y equal to square root of x squared minus 1. So let's start. For the problem number 1, y equal to the square root of x squared minus 1. So let's square both sides. This will become y squared equal to x squared minus 1. So the square root will be cancelled because of squaring both sides. Now let's get the derivative both sides. So this will become 2y y prime equal to 2x. So y prime will become 2x over 2y, and 2 will be cancelled. So that's mean, or it's mean, y prime is equal to x over y. But what is the value of y? Y is equal to square root of x squared minus 1. So y prime is equal to x over the square root of x squared minus 1. So this is the final answer. If you're going to apply the chain rule for this problem, the result will be the same. Okay, let's proceed to the problem number 2. So for the problem number 2, x squared plus y squared is equal to a squared. So a squared is just a constant because we're just finding the dy over dx. So using implicit differentiation, the derivative of x squared is 2x. Then plus, what is the derivative of y squared? So 2y, then multiply by y prime equal to 0, since the derivative of a squared is just 0 because it's a constant. So 2y y prime is equal to negative 2x. So I just transpose 2x into the right side. Therefore, this will become a negative. Now, if we're going to get y prime, just divide both sides by 2y. So y prime is equal to negative 2x over 2y. And 2 will be cancelled. So y prime, or the first derivative, is equal to negative x over y. So the first derivative of the function x squared plus y squared is equal to a squared is negative x over y. So hence, this is the final answer. So let's proceed to the problem number 3. So in the problem number 3, x cubed minus y cubed is equal to 1. So the same process, get the derivative. So this will become 3x squared minus 3y squared y prime equal to 1. Or this is supposed to be 0 because the derivative of 1 is 0. So let's transpose 3x squared to the right side. So this will become negative 3y squared y prime equal to negative 3x squared. And if we're going to get the value of y prime, or yes, if you're going to get y prime, just divide both sides by 3y squared. So this will become y prime equal to negative 3x squared over negative 3y squared. And notice that negative 3 will be cancelled. So hence, y prime is equal to x squared over y squared. So this is the final answer. Okay, let's proceed to the last problem, which is xy plus y squared is equal to 1. So we need to use again the implicit differentiation, since the problem has a combination of x and y. So to get the derivative of xy, you need to use the product rule. So this will become xy prime plus y plus the derivative of y squared, which is 2y, then multiply by y prime is equal to 0. And let's combine the y prime, which is x y prime plus 2y y prime is equal to y. So y prime, let's factor the y prime. So this will become y prime times x plus 2y equal to y. The y will be negative because I just transposed to the right side, so the sign will be negative since it's positive in the left side. So to get y prime, you need to divide both sides by x plus 2y. Hence, y prime will become equal to negative y over x plus 2y. Hence, this is the final answer. Alright, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please share your thoughts about it by commenting below. And if you learned something today, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see the other videos, link in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Stay tuned and see you on my next video. Thanks and God bless.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong.